everyone, so I'm going to show you how to make my eyebrows. So here's the eyebrow pencil that I'm going to use. Here's the red and the left eyebrow. Are you ready? First, you need to draw a line in the bottom of your eyebrow, and it's up to you which shape what you want on your eyebrows. You can draw a line of check or triangle, circle, anything that you want to shape on. In the other side, you need to draw a line the same as the other one. So if it's not the same,